Alright, let's see if they did any restock of anything here. Just the road trip. Let's see, is there a NASCAR? No NASCAR. No NASCAR chase. Let's see. Nothing good here. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Doesn't seem like they did anything. Let's see. Is there anything good? Okay. Nothing. Nothing in the matchbox. What do they have here? It doesn't look full. Just these guys. Nothing. If there's nothing here, then they didn't have anything. Alright. Just those guys, Adventure Force. They did not have anything good other than people are getting the Subaru and the Tacoma and the Nova, leaving the Mercedes and the Land Rover. So, alright, I think it's time to hit the road again. Let me check this one. Oh, there you go. Toyota Tacoma. But I'm not sure if I should get it or not. Let's see, anything here? Nothing. So usually it's this one, the Chevy Nova, and the Subaru is gone. So nothing much is left. Alright, let's check the NASCAR. Nothing. Alright, let me check this guy.
Tomorrow.
Alright, we went to Target. There's nothing in the bin. There's another collector going through the bin. So I'm just gonna let him do it. Let's see. Nothing much. Looking for errors. Nothing. Oh, I did find this guy though. The trucks are heavy. They're 18 bucks. Huh. I'm not gonna get that. There's 4 of them here. How many are there? Oh, okay. Alright, let's see. Looks like they drop another Fast and Furious. The bin doesn't look like it's fresh. It's been looked through. Okay, where's the 5-pack? I'm not seeing it. Let's see, is there anything new? I'm doing a quick scan. Oh, they did a cartoon. This is fresh. I'll do that later. Nothing. Alright, there's nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. No red chase. Let's see. Nothing. Nothing. What about this one? Nope. Nothing. 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 Street icons. What about this guy? There's nothing new here. Okay. Oh, did they drop another? I see a Lambo. Nothing there. What is this? It looks like an M case. Why is there an M case? But there's not too many M. L. Somebody dropping pieces of M. Yeah, there's 2 pieces right here. I'm seeing pieces of M. L. But it's not fresh though. Alright, time to go. Alright, let's see what's left on the pigs on this target. Nothing. Oh, that's a nice Sylvia. A Buick. Somebody was here looking for Integra. We don't need it. Oh, I want one of these again. I gave one to one of the collectors that I met. He asked for it. I wanted to open it. Alright, are we gonna find the Honda Civic 5-pack? Here we go again. Look, it's a main line. Oh, it's an M case. Oh, they are getting M case. Wow. Okay, let me check. There's an M case in the bin. Oh yeah, this guy. Yeah, this M. Look, there's another one. Alright, let me check. Wow, I found the Fast and Furious Charger Roadrunner from the M case. Okay, I'm gonna keep digging. Alright, found the Ferrari F1. Okay, I'll keep digging. Alright, we found another Ferrari from the M case. So far, I think the mainline Porsche is gone. I haven't seen the TH treasure hunt for M, which is the Model A Ford. I think someone already got it. Or maybe the Super has been found because I don't see the mainline. So, yeah, the TH is gone. That's it. No TH. So, to recap, I found the bone shaker from M case. Found the F1 from M case. Found the Dodge Charger Fast and Furious M case. What else did I see? 2 Stage A, another Nissan, and that's it. Nothing else. Oh, where did I put the Ferrari? Did I put it back? Oh, it's right there. So that's it. the TH is gone and there's no Porsche mainline. Maybe it's a Supra, I don't know. Alright, time to go.
A few moments later.
Alright, we have a mail call that just got in today. So let's go ahead and crack it. Let's see what we got. Alright, let's see what we got. What do we have? This is alright, 956R. I forgot what this is. Man, there's a lot of this is, what is this? Okay, case. Alright. So this is K case. And I think I know what this is. I think this is probably the Fast and Furious. Oops. So let's go ahead and crack it. Oh, let me take it out of the box. Yeah, we're gonna unbox it. Give me a sec. Oh no. It's an international case. Late production K case. Fast and Furious. Okay, let's go ahead and open them. Alright, so we have another mail call. Let's go ahead and open it. Let's see what's inside. Another case. Oh, I think I know what this is. This is the, if you know, this is the, what you call that? The aero case. See, we bought, I think this is, why is this T? Oh, this is aero and this is another case. I think this is what is this? So 2 arrows. Let's see, 2 arrows. Let's see. I think U is arrow. Can't believe. Why do I have 1 T? I don't understand. Doesn't make sense. It's supposed to be 3 arrows, not 1. Alright, we may have to see what this is. Because I thought I ordered 3 arrows. Oh no. Alright. We'll go ahead and open this.